mic on. And can I get the Cybertruck?
Which one?
The Tesla?
What?
The Tesla Cybertruck. Did you see that video yesterday? Dude, that Elon Musk guy is freaking insane. Alright, so we're in Denny's. We just got done with some event. We're in Irvine, California, and I watched the Tesla Cybertruck announcement yesterday. It was hilarious. Elon Musk was hitting things with a sledgehammer, hitting the doors. It didn't dent it, and then they dropped like a big old steel ball, and the glass didn't break it, and then they chucked the steel ball at the glass and completely shattered it. Kind of changed the vibe of the presentation, but even though the presentation like almost failed in my opinion, I'm still going to order the Cybertruck. So I'm going to take you through the process, and I'm just going to do it on my phone. I mean, we're just eating dinner, and I just want to take you through the process. So I'm going to do a quick screen recording. So as you guys can see right there, we got the Cybertruck. It says order now. So I'll kind of show you guys. It's got the exoskeleton. I mean, it's crazy looking, and I'm hoping that in like 3 years it's going to grow on me even more. But it's basically like a tank. People were comparing it to like the tank in Halo, and it honestly looks like that, so you guys can see right there. But I mean, it's insane. So let's go down. We got the single motor, the dual motor, we got the tri-motor, so I want to make sure that I get the tri-motor. As you guys can see, it's 0 to 60 in 2.9 seconds. And just for those that are kind of curious about it, the single motor is 0 to 60 in 6.5 seconds. It's a 250-mile range. It's rear-wheel drive, and the towing capacity is only 7,500 pounds, which is still quite a bit. The dual motor, 4.5 seconds, 10,000-pound towing capacity, and it's a 300-plus mile range. And then the tri-motor is the one that I'm going to get. It's 0 to 60 in 2.9 seconds. The range is 500-plus miles, and it is a 14,000-pound towing capacity. So let's hit order now. And there we got the tri-motor selected, the self-driving. I want to make sure that that's selected. I just deselected, so select that. Make sure that that's selected. And due today is $100, so let's go buy now. I'm going to start entering in my information. I'm just going to scan my credit card real quick. Let's scan it. Let's see if it scans good. And I'm going to hit due today, place order. And I'm placing this order. So we'll see how this goes. I don't want to remember this card, but as you guys can see, it says your order is complete. I just ordered the new Tesla Cybertruck. So I'm super excited. We'll see what happens. But yeah, it's going to be crazy. If this thing says what it says it's going to do, it's going to be really weird driving it. It's about the size of an F-150, but it's literally like a tank. It's bulletproof, actually. They actually showed them shooting it, and it doesn't go through. The glass is supposed to be shatterproof, even though the presentation completely failed. Maybe we'll show a screenshot right here of the failed presentation. And then they also have like a four-wheeler, an electric four-wheeler, so maybe I'll get that to include on that. So super excited to see what happens. What do you guys think? What are your opinions about the Tesla truck? Leave a comment down below saying, oh, it's dumb, it's ugly, or oh, it's sick, or oh, it's growing on me. What are you guys' thoughts? Me, when I first saw it, I was like, oh man, this thing is, I'm not a fan. But the more I look at it, I'm like, why not? I support Elon's mission. I like what it's about, and the design is actually kind of cool. Now that I've kind of let it soak in for a day. It's literally been 1 day, and I just ordered it, so I just wanted to take you through the process, and leave a thumbs up if you guys enjoyed this video. Drop a comment, and don't forget to subscribe. So I'll keep you guys updated, and we'll see you in the next video.